Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing yourself to settle into a comfortable position. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you as you let go of any tension or stress. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the present moment. Release any thoughts or worries from the past or the future and embrace the here and now. Visualize a warm, gentle light surrounding you, enveloping you in its soothing energy. Feel its comforting presence and know that you are safe and protected in this space. In this moment, affirm to yourself, I am deserving of love, happiness, and abundance. I am capable of achieving great things. I am enough, just as I am. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourself, allowing their positive energy to flow through your entire being. Feel the truth and power behind each word as you internalize them. Let them sink into your subconscious mind, replacing any negative beliefs or self-doubt. Now, imagine yourself accomplishing your goals and living your dreams. See yourself thriving in all areas of your life: relationships, career, health, and personal growth. Feel the excitement and joy bubbling up within you as you envision your life filled with success and fulfillment. Know that you have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacles that may come your way. Embrace any challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Trust in your abilities and have faith in the journey that lies ahead. With every breath, inhale positivity and exhale any lingering negativity. Allow the light within to shine brightly, radiating love, compassion, and confidence. As you slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, hold on to this feeling of empowerment and self-belief. Carry it with you throughout your day, knowing that you are capable of creating the life you desire. Take a moment to express gratitude for this meditation and the positive affirmations you have embraced. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to the world around you, carrying this newfound positivity within you.